So we are going to make mango pickle. For this we have plucked fresh mango and we have added salt inside the water and we have soaked it for half an hour. And same thing we have done with this. We have done with the old. This is grown underground. So we have also soaked this in the same way as we have soaked mango. Lots of salt, and this will be keeping it for half an hour. Now we are after half an hour we are peeling the mangoes. So we just peel off the skin and after peeling it will turn into like this, and then we will see the next procedure. So for this you don't need small sophisticated utensil. We have a nice bucket which we use to wash our vegetables, and this bucket also we keep to wash all the vegetables. And you can see done. So we'll repeat the process with the mango, whatever is left. So we are now peeling off the oil which grows underground. You have to be a little careful with this because this itch, थोड़ा केयरफुल रहना है इसके साथ क्योंकि ये इचिंग होती है इसको पील करने के समय। तो बेस्ट रहेगा कि अगर आप इसको ग्लव्स पहन के पील करें, और हम इसको पीलर से पील नहीं कर सकते, हमें इसे नाइफ से ही इसको स्किन को पील ऑफ करना है। सो वी कैन नॉट पील विद द peeler, we have to peel it with the knife. So we are doing this and we have already done two small you can see. So like this you have to repeat this big things also. In English we call this yam, and in Bihar we call this in a local language क्या बोलते हैं भाई पता? ओक नहीं होता इसका, we call it ओल. So all this hard work is done by Amit. After peeling it off, we have left it to dry for 2 to 3 hours, and so that it is dry completely. And then we will see what we do the next. Next we will grate it with the grater. Done is we have grated the mangoes, you can see on this grater, and you can see water has also come here, see the mango juice. So we will remove this and we will press this also and we will remove it, and you can see the stones of the mango which is already been, we'll discard this. So we have grated mango. So now after the mango we will grate this. So what we are doing here is we are taking out the water from the mango, so that extra water will leave little bit moisture in it, not much, but there are lots of water already inside, so we are draining it out. You can see this is the final one. So we will do like this with all the mango which we have grated. After grating the mango, we'll grate this suran. So let's do it. So now we are grating the oil. So we have to do this with the gloves, otherwise it will itch. हमें इसे ग्लव से करना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो खुजली थोड़ा होगा ये ओल में. देख सकते हैं हमने ऑलरेडी मैंगो को ग्रेट करके पानी निकाल के रखा हुआ है, और ये हम ओल को ग्रेट कर रहे हैं. फिर इसके बाद हम डालेंगे इसमें टर्मरिक और फिर नमक. पहले तो हम इसे ग्रेट कर लेंगे. So what we have done here is we have covered our pickle which we are going to make with the cotton cloth, so that dust and all doesn't settle on it. And you can see, yeah, you can see it, yeah. So tomorrow it will be more sun. Today already it is evening now, so tomorrow we'll keep in the sun. The aroma and the smells is amazing, and we'll cover and keep it in the shed.